Okay, today's project is trimming doors with molding. First thing we're gonna do is measure the door. I'm just measuring to the top of the frame where I want the bottom of the miter to be. And the molding that we're using is 3 inches wide, so my measurement was 79. We're gonna cut it at 82. And we're gonna do the other side. And I like to cut my material exactly the length that I want it, and then I'll cut my 45s or my miters. Here I'm just lining up the end of the material with the saw blade and then cutting my 45s. Seems to work out pretty good. I've done a lot of cabinet making, and it just seems to be the easiest for me. Alright, time to go back downstairs. And I'll line up the bottom of my miter with the door frame. And when I'm tacking this on here, I'm aiming for the 2x4 that I know is behind there because I framed the door. So whenever you're trimming this, try to aim for that 2x4 to get it in there nice and solid. And you don't really want to get too close to the door frame itself when you're using your air tools. Those little pin nails, they can go wild on you and shoot out the side of the door frame. So what I'm doing here is I'm just measuring side to side to get the full length of the top piece. In this case it's 36 inches. So I'm just going to cut off my 36-inch piece and then do my 45s. Sometimes you can get a little sawdust on your miter saw table, and it could throw off the cut by a degree, and just make sure that you get the cut right the first time. Now on this white molding that I'm using, it's pre-painted, and on that first cut I just spun the piece around instead of changing the angle on the miter saw, and it cut into the paint a little bit. So For the rest of the project, I'm just gonna cut my miters from the top, move the angle on the miter saw. And one door down, two more to go. Just gonna show two on this video. Everything's pretty much the same. Just lather, rinse, and repeat. Hope you enjoy the videos. Don't forget to subscribe, and have a nice day.